Most traders overcomplicate everything. Dozens of indicators, confusing signals, and still, no consistent results. But today I'm going to show you something refreshingly simple. What if two lines on your chart could tell you exactly when to buy and when to sell? No complicated formulas, no confusing signals, just two moving averages, and a strategy so clean, even complete beginners can follow it. Today on AM Trading Tips, I'm going to show you this MT4 indicator in live action. Real trades, real results, zero guesswork. And the best part? You can download this indicator completely free. The link is right in the description below. So if you're serious about leveling up your trading game, stay with me, because this video is going to be worth every second of your time. Let's get into it. But quickly before we begin, trading involves serious financial risk, and you can lose your entire invested capital. Nothing in this video is financial advice. It is strictly for educational purposes only. Never trade with money you cannot afford to lose. With that said, let's continue. On the chart, you will see two moving average lines. One line is red and the other line is white. These two moving averages help us understand the direction of the market and identify possible trade opportunities. The entire strategy is based on moving average crossovers. Whenever these two lines cross each other, the indicator generates buy or sell signals. And your job is simple, just follow the signal. Now let's understand the exact trading rules. Starting with the sell setup. Whenever the red moving average crosses the white moving average and starts moving upward, that is your sell trade opportunity. The moment the indicator generates a sell signal, place your sell trade immediately. Now I know what you're thinking. A rising red line signaling a sell might seem a little confusing at first, but that's exactly how this indicator is designed. Just trust the signal. And here is the most important rule of this entire strategy. Only take the first signal after the crossover. Do not take the second or third signal from the same crossover. Those signals carry much lower probability and will hurt your results. This one rule makes all the difference. Follow it strictly. Now let's look at the buy setup. Whenever the white moving average crosses the red moving average and starts moving upward, that is your buy trade opportunity. The moment the indicator generates a buy signal, place your buy trade immediately. And again, the golden rule applies here too. Only take the first signal after the crossover. Avoid taking multiple signals from the same crossover. One crossover, one trade. That's it. Before we move to live trades, here are a few important things to always keep in mind. First, avoid trading during major news events. During news releases, the market becomes highly volatile and signals become unreliable. Stay out during those times. Second, focus on the European session and the New York session. These sessions produce the strongest market movement and give this strategy the best conditions to perform. And one quick reminder, we are using 1-minute candles with a 5-minute expiry on every single trade today. Keep that time frame consistent. Now before we jump into live trades, I want to be completely honest with you, because on this channel, transparency always comes first. While testing this indicator, I noticed something every trader needs to know about: repainting. So what exactly is repainting? Some indicators show a signal on your chart, but then quietly move or erase that signal after the candle closes. This makes the indicator look far more accurate in history than it actually performs in real time. And yes, I spotted signs of repainting with this indicator. Does that mean it's useless? Not necessarily, but it does mean we cannot just trust the historical signals, we need to test it live. So that's exactly what we're doing today. Live trades, in real time, no going back. No sugarcoating, no hiding results. Whatever happens, you will see it all. And here's the big question. Can this indicator still make money despite the repainting? Stick around, because the results might actually surprise you. That's what AM Trading Tips is all about, keeping it real so you can make smarter trading decisions. All right, charts are live, trades are about to happen. Let's let the market do the talking. All right, people, this is the moment we have all been waiting for. A live trade in real time with real money on the line. So let me walk you through exactly what I am seeing on this chart right now. Look at the right side of the screen. This is our MT4 chart with the indicator loaded. Notice the two moving average lines, the red line and the white line. And right here, something very important is happening. The white moving average has crossed above the red moving average and is starting to push upward. That crossover right there, that is exactly the setup we have been waiting for. The indicator has generated its first buy signal after the crossover. And remember, we only take the first signal. That is the rule. So the moment that signal appeared, I acted immediately. Trade placed, entry locked. No hesitation, no second guessing. This is what disciplined trading looks like. Signal appears, you execute. Simple as that. Okay, the trade is now live and running. And this is where most traders start to feel nervous. The clock is ticking. The candles are moving. Every second feels like a minute. But look at what is happening on the chart. After we entered the buy trade, the price started pushing upward, which is exactly the direction we need. The market is responding beautifully to the crossover signal and moving in our favor. Now here is the thing. In trading, nothing is guaranteed until that final candle closes. I have seen trades flip at the very last second. So we stay calm, we stay patient, and we respect the market. Notice on the right side chart, the white moving average is continuing to hold above the red. That momentum is still in our favor. The countdown is running. We are almost there. Let's see how this one finishes. And there it is. The result is in. And it is a win. The price closed exactly where we needed it, confirming that the buy signal did its job perfectly. Now let's continue analyzing more examples on the chart to see how consistent these signals really are. Because the more examples we look at, the better we can understand whether this indicator is truly reliable or not. Let's move to the next setup. All right, everyone, here we go. Another live trade, another real moment of truth. And I want you to pay very close attention to this one, because this is where real trading education actually happens. Look at the MT4 chart on the right side of the screen. Watch those two moving average lines carefully, the red line and the white line. Right here at this point on the chart, you can see the white moving average has crossed above the red moving average and started pushing upward. That crossover is clean and visible. The indicator immediately generated its first buy signal after that cross. And following the rules of this strategy, I acted on that first signal straight away. Trade placed, entry locked, no hesitation. We are using 1-minute candles with a 5-minute expiry, exactly as the strategy requires. Now here is something I want you to notice on the right side chart. The price at this point is sitting near the top of a recent move. The red moving average is still pointing downward overall. There is a small warning sign there, but the signal said buy, so we follow the strategy and respect the rules. The trade is now live, the clock is running. Let us see what the market decides to do next. Okay. And this is where things start to get uncomfortable. Look at the chart right now. After we entered the buy trade, instead of pushing upward like we needed, the price started moving against us. The candles are printing red, the momentum has shifted, and look at the right side MT4 chart. The red moving average is still sloping heavily downward. The white line tried to cross upward, but the overall market pressure is clearly still bearish. The price is being pulled down with it. Now at this stage, many traders start to panic. They start thinking, should I exit early? Should I cut the loss now? But here's what I want you to understand. This is the reality of trading. Not every signal wins. Not every crossover leads to a profitable trade, and that is completely normal. What matters most right now is staying calm and letting the trade play out according to the plan. We entered with a clear rule. We exit when the time expires. No emotional decisions, no chasing the market. The clock is still ticking. Just a few seconds remaining. But honestly, looking at this price action right now, the market is not giving us what we need. Let us see how this one closes. And there it is. The result is in. This trade has closed as a loss. The price finished below our entry level. The market moved in the completely opposite direction to our buy signal. We accept that result fully and move on. But before we do, I want to highlight something very important that happened in the final moments of this trade. Watch the chart carefully. That buy signal, which was clearly visible when we entered, quietly disappeared just before the trade closed. It simply vanished from the chart as if it never existed. And that right there is the repainting problem in live action. This is exactly why I warned you about it at the beginning of this video. No excuses, just raw, honest truth. Because this is what real trading looks like. Losses happen. They are part of every trader's journey. What matters is that you keep your risk controlled, stay disciplined, and never let one loss affect your next decision. One losing trade does not define a strategy. We move forward, we learn, and we come back stronger. All right, everyone. That is a wrap for today's video. We tested this indicator live, and we saw both sides of trading, a winning trade and a losing trade. Most importantly, we witnessed the repainting issue in action with our own eyes. So now you know exactly what this indicator is capable of and where its weakness lies. Always test before you trust. Always manage your risk. And never trade with money you cannot afford to lose. The free indicator download link is right in the description below. If you enjoyed this honest and transparent video, please hit the like button and subscribe to AM Trading Tips so you never miss a future video. Drop a comment below and let me know your thoughts on this indicator. I would love to hear from you. Thank you so much for watching. Trade smart, and I will see you in the next video. Take care, everyone.